Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab. Simply click on Start Lab, and if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now, once you click on Start Lab, it will take some time. Now just right click and open the Cloud Console incognito window. If any extra window is open, just close it and reopen it like this. Now the first thing you need to do, you need to click on this button to activate the Cloud Shell. It's present next to the Gemini icon. Here you'll get another pop-up. You have to click on continue or authorize yourself and just click on it like this. And for other solutions for other labs of the arcade games, skill badges, you can check the playlist and description box. All the resources are present over there. As of now, if you are participating in January, wait for the facilitator program to start, then only complete the skill badges. Now let me increase the text size. Now in the description box of this video, I've shared this repository in the GitHub dash section. Just click on that URL, copy this, come back again and just paste over here, hit enter. Now here, wait for it to get completed. It will take 10 to 20 minutes and after that you'll be done with the lab. Okay. You can clearly see it has just fetched the project ID, the region, zone. Now it's creating a GKE cluster. That is Google Kubernetes Engine cluster. Now once you see like this, you have to come to the lab instruction and simply check the score. So for task number 1, we got the score. Okay. Now for the next task, we have to just type Y over here and hit enter. Now it will just do all the updates over here and wait for it to get completed. So here you can clearly see all these things are done. Okay, so wait for it. Now just check the score. So you can clearly see we have got the score for each and every task, and that's the way we have to complete the lab. I repeat, for cluster creation, it took around 10 to 12 minutes. It may take earlier or later depending on the lab resources. So this is how we completed the lab. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead.